Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Optimizely step by step to manage your digital experiences and marketing campaigns. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Optimizely for yourself, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of Optimizely. Over here, you will see this prompt that says AI powered digital experiences that convert quickly. So before hopping on how you can get started with this particular platform, we need to briefly understand what is Optimizely exactly. So Optimizely is one of the leading digital experience platforms that is powered by AI. It is basically designed to help companies create, test, and deliver better content, websites, and customer journeys instead of juggling multiple tools for CMS, marketing, analytics. Optimizely combines everything into single ecosystem. With the help of this tool, you can create content, you can run A and B ads, and you can personalize the customer's journeys and even handle the e-commerce, all while tracking the performance with delayed analytics. So getting started with the platform is very easy if you have a work email. So when you come on the official website of optimizely.com, you are going to see this get started option here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will be asked to provide your work email. So you cannot create your account over here with the help of your regular email address. So if you have a domain name and if you have created a work email with that, you will be able to access Optimizely dashboard. So once you have it, you will be able to choose what you want to manage, like your content, whether you want to run the experiments, analyze the performance, or create any kind of personalized experiences for your visitor. So you can think of the dashboard like the digital control hub. With the help of it, you can use for the you can think of it as your digital control hub, whether you are a marketer, developer, or product manager. Optimizely gives you a workspace where everyone can collaborate. Now let's just talk about the key features that it provides. So here, when you hover over to the products section on the top, you will see a bunch of different product modules. So these are something like the features that Optimizely provides you. First, we have the content marketing platform. With the help of this particular product, you can plan, you can create and publish the content in one place. This helps teams stay organized, manage the editorial calendar, and streamlined approvals. Then we have the content management system. So with the help of it, you can build and manage the websites without any heavy coding. You can update the pages, launch the campaign, and keep your brand consistent across the channels. With the help of the web experimentation, you will be able to run the A and B tests, the multivariate experiments on your website. This lets you test the headlines, the layouts, or CTAs to see what really delivers the conversions. Then we have the option of feature experimentation. So instead of only testing the designs, with the help of this option, you can test the actual product feature. For example, a new checkout flow or the app functionality can be tested with the real users before a full rollout. With the help of the analytics, you are going to gain insight into visitor behavior, the conversion funnels, and overall campaign performance. So these reports guide you in making data-driven decisions. Then we have the option of personalization. So personalization is going to deliver the unique experiences to the different users. For example, first time visitors might see one message while the returning customers get another. The best part about this platform is that you are also going to get the commerce option. Optimizely supports e-commerce businesses with the tools for product management, catalog organization, and optimized online shopping experiences. They also going to give you the digital asset management. With the help of it, you will be able to store, organize, and manage all of your brand's media files like images, videos, graphics in one library that your whole team can access. They will give you the data platform option as well, which will be a central space to collect, unify, and activate the customer data across different marketing channels. This helps in building the consistent experiences. Then they are also going to give you Optimizely Opal AI. So since AI is getting popular these days, they have also integrated Opal AI in it. So this is their AI powered orchestration platform. It helps automate the decisions, coordinate marketing tasks, and streamline the campaign execution with the help of machine learning. Now is the time to review this platform. What I really liked about this platform is that it is going to give you all-in-one platform that has CMS, testing, personalization, and even analytics. The best part is that it is going to give you the AI powered tool like Opal AI to speed up your marketing workflows as well. This particular platform is helpful to scaling both medium and large enterprises. It will give you strong reporting and experimentation features. It is great for integrations with other business tools as well. You can feel overwhelming at first because of so many modules. So this is what I don't like about this platform. You can see they haven't mentioned any pricing related information here on their platform, but it can be estimated that the pricing is on the higher side than the other CMS and A&B testing tools. The setup and the customization also may require any technical expertise of yours, so you need to keep this thing in mind as well. So the question here is Optimizely worth it? In my opinion, if you want to deliver high quality digital experiences, test every idea and personalize the content for your users, this particular platform is definitely one of the best platforms available. It is feature rich, reliable, and built for the companies that want to scale. The learning curve and the pricing may changes, but the results may speak for themselves. So that's it for today's tutorial and review of Optimizely. I hope this gave you a clear idea on how it actually works, what you can do with it. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.